Hi friends, let me show you this neon sign, bar neon sign that I received for reviewing purposes. It's really nice. I'm going to use it here in my playroom. Okay, you get in the package the little chain to hang it wherever you want, okay? You get the actual sign, user manual, and as you can see, you just need a USB-A port to turn it on and off, okay? Let me show you. Okay, it's really, really nice. It has a white frame, pink bar letters, a blue cocktail, and some yellow details here. So I think it's really nice for any, you can turn it on and off, okay? And you put these hooks here so you can hang it anywhere, okay? So I think it's a really nice sign for any party place, for a playroom, for your TV room, if you have a bar in your house, or even for a restaurant or any commercial bar. This will give a nice touch to any corner, to any wall. Okay, let's try it in my playroom. So let me show you how this sign looks with no lights, and with the lights turned on in the room. It's still a really, really nice display of light. It has no sound, no noise. It doesn't get hot. It's cold always, and you can turn it on and off without having to unplug it. So I think it's a really nice sign for any playroom, for any restaurant, for any bar, for any place or bar, even outdoor if it's under roof. So it's a nice addition to any place of your house where you receive friends and have a good time. Okay, so let's party.